Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to use rows and columns to edit data in your Excel sheet. If you need a file for practice, you can download it in the description box below this video. So when I want to select a column, I just click on the column name and thus select the whole column. Now if I need to delete data from a column, I just hit the delete button on my keyboard. And if I need to get back the data that I just deleted, I'll click the undo button, which is right here in the upper left corner. Great! What if I want to insert a new column into my table? To do this, I will select the column near which I want to insert a new column, right-click, and a list of commands will appear in front of me that I can execute. Look for Insert, if you notice there is also Delete, and click on it. By default, new columns are always inserted on the left side. Now I can enter data in this column. I don't need it, I will delete it. To make a new row, you need to do the same operation. We select the row, right-click button, Insert. In case I want to insert several lines, then for this I select the number of lines that need to be inserted. To do this, you need to press the left mouse button and drag it, then right mouse button from the menu of commands to select Insert. By default, rows are inserted at the top of the selected row. In conclusion, inserting rows and columns in Excel is a straightforward process that enhances data organization and flexibility. This simple yet powerful feature contributes significantly to the efficiency and effectiveness of Excel as a versatile tool for data management and analysis. Now let's talk about printing, saving, and opening spreadsheets. Firstly, when you are ready to print your Excel spreadsheet, navigate to the File tab in the top left corner. From there, select Print in the menu. You will see a preview of your spreadsheet on the right side, where you can adjust settings like the number of copies, page orientation, and print area. Once you are satisfied, hit the Print button and your spreadsheet will be sent to the printer. Next, let's discuss saving your work. It's crucial to save your Excel spreadsheet regularly to avoid losing your data. To do this, again go to the File tab and choose Save As. This will prompt you to select a location on your computer where you want to save the file. You can also rename the file if needed. Remember to choose a recognizable name and a location where you can easily find it later. After naming and selecting the location, click Save and your spreadsheet will be safely stored on your computer. Lastly, let's talk about opening existing spreadsheets. To open a spreadsheet that you've saved previously, go to the File tab and select Open. This will bring up a window where you can browse through your computer's files to find the spreadsheet you want to open. Once you've located the file, simply click on it and then hit the Open button. Your spreadsheet will then load into Excel, ready for you to work on. Remember, mastering these basic tasks of printing, saving, and opening spreadsheets is fundamental for efficient and productive use of Excel. Practice these steps regularly and soon they'll become second nature to you. Now let's get back to our spreadsheets and put these skills into action.